Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, today's video I'll be doing a refrigerator clean and organize with me. As you can see, this is a complete overhaul. We recently just went grocery shopping today, and I had to put the meat in the refrigerator because there was absolutely no space in the freezer. So I really need to declutter, throw away some stuff, and just get this clean and organized because it's been long overdue. But if you guys are new here, my name is Terisha. I'm a stay-at-home wife and mom of two beautiful girls, a 4-year-old and a 4-month-old. And this took me 5 hours, guys. What would normally take me 30 minutes took me 5 hours because my little baby, she's eating and she's extremely cranky and fussy, and I just had to constantly keep stopping to take care of her. So this was an entire day thing, which was crazy. But I got it done, and I am so obsessed with the before and after, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Let's chat. Let's get to know each other. Like, if you're new here, introduce yourself. Let me know your name, where you're from, what's your favorite color, and what's your favorite season. My favorite color is blue, and my favorite season is fall, but I do love Christmas. So yeah, but my favorite season is fall. I just love the weather and the colors of the tree and everything. It's not too cold, it's not hot, and the weather is just beautiful. So guys, this is everything that was in the refrigerator and freezer. The sink is completely overflow. Look at that. Like, so I don't know how I'm gonna wash the shelves and the drawers. I'm gonna figure something out. I'm gonna have to trash a lot of these stuff. That's probably expired and got freezer burn and stuff. I'm just using warm water, a little bit of bleach, and some Dawn dish soap to clean the fridge, and there's cleaning cloth and Scotch-Brite sponge, something. So that's all I'm going to use to do the cleaning. Yeah.
alive and I don't know how. If I'm honest, I don't care to figure it out, 'cause I'm on one every time I feel that power. And yeah, so what? I made some bad mistakes, but I've been the same ever since you called my name. And I felt the change all the way down in my soul. Now when I feel weak, you say I'm okay. You saw me dressed in diamonds. What we got is priceless, priceless. What we got is priceless. I done had it all, but ain't nothing else like this, like this. Ain't nothing else like this. All my money made me wanna give it to you. Raise my hands, boy, you got that hallelujah. Search until you find it. Say it's in the timing, timing. I just call it righteous, righteous. I just call it righteous, righteous. I just call it righteous, righteous.
I was alone, stuck in my ways. You came along, just like I said. I was on lockdown. But the whole time you had the keys. I don't know what it is you're doing to me. I was lost before, but baby, now I see. 'Cause then you are looking at me, and I'm nothing that true. Looking like us and I'm thinking that we got something good, and I know that there's nothing that's coming between us. No, nothing at all. And we can call it love, and what about it?
So guys, I did go over with the toothbrush and got into the creases, but I didn't get to film it, unfortunately. I thought I hit record, but I didn't. It's the stress of dealing with a newborn, cranky newborn, and trying to film and cleaning. It was just a mess. You guys will see her in the back. Y'all see her little feet going out. She was going in with her screaming and her crying. But
It's righteous. I just call it righteous, righteous. I just call it righteous, righteous.
okay guys, I know earlier I mentioned that my favorite holiday is Christmas, but I didn't say why. The reason why my favorite holiday is Christmas is because, of course, it's the Lord's birthday, and I love the fact that it's a time of giving. Like, even if you don't have it, everybody just gives. So I love that. I love all the decorations. I love the time that you get to spend with family and friends and your loved ones. Even if you don't get to see your family year round, Christmas is definitely one of the times that you get to spend together and come along and just enjoy each other's company. So that is why Christmas is my favorite holiday of the year. And I would love to hear in the comments what's your favorite holiday and why. And if it is Christmas, please let me know why Christmas is your favorite holiday.
The time is melting from my fingertips. Oh, nothing compares to this. Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. Take ya, I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. Love is an island, a never-ending vacation. I'm feeling selfish, I never want you to share it. We be right in the same wave. All the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. How come, baby, kiss my lips? Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day.
Do you guys spot this amazing transformation? Like, you see how the spotlessness from before and after. so satisfying. And these are all the stuff that I'll be putting in the refrigerator. Of course, I had to toss a lot of stuff that was expired and some stuff that had freezer burn and make room for the new stuff. And these are everything that I'll be putting in the refrigerator.
Juice from the sweetest berries, dance the night away. Count stars in the sky while the clouds roll by. Smoke clouds just to elevate. Hold hands when we need protection. Break bonds, but we always plan them. Every heartbreak is a lesson. Let it go.
So guys, I'm about to come to the end of my video. If you guys are new again, I upload once, sometimes twice a week. On Saturdays, definitely at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and on Mondays or Wednesdays if my schedule allows me to, because I have a really crazy schedule right now. So I'm trying, and my next video will definitely be a pantry organize and clean with me, so stick around for that. And don't forget, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And I upload cleaning videos, organizing videos, cooking videos, all things motherhood, family related, hair tutorials. I just upload stuff that I love. So if you enjoy stuff like that, be a part of the family. And when you hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be one of the first to get notified when I upload my next video. Thank you so much for watching again. Love y'all. See you in the next one.